Hi there, I'm Joe. I'm here at Intelligent Labor and Moving today to help you go over just some basic kitchen packing tips. First off, you want to give yourself a nice surface area with enough room for your packing paper, your box. Usually a table or a kitchen counter is a good surface for that. And then you want to, when you make up your box, you have a good layer on the bottom for a buffer for absorbing any shocks that might go over bumps in the truck or whatever. To do that, you want to take two pieces of paper, roll them up into balls, put them next to each other on another piece, wrap them up like a stub, fold over one end, put it in the box, and you want to do this 4 times. That'll fill up the bottom of the box. And then on top of that, take one more piece of paper. That gives us a nice surface area to start packing. Now your first layer, you're going to want to do heavier items such as dishes or bowls. So I'm going to start with some heavier dishes. Individually wrapped in a piece of paper. You want to line these up in the box on end, so they're going this way, never have them flat. You can also do items such as mugs on the bottom. They're small, rather heavy. But you want to make sure that anything sticking out like a handle, you have enough wrap around that to protect it. If you have anything that you're a little concerned about, a little extra worried, like your Good Morning Gorgeous mug, just put another piece of paper over it. Now you get extra protection around that special one that you ordered. Now when you're done with your first layer, you want another buffer zone on top of that. You can just roll up some paper, put that over it. If you have any little gaps or contact areas, the 2 plates might be touching each other, roll it up and stick it in there. Now for your next layer, you want something that's going to be a little lighter. Like, you could do more mugs or bowls or glasses. So I'm going to do another layer of smaller dishes. Items such as bowls like this, nesting bowls that fit inside each other. You start with the biggest one. Put that aside for a minute. Next one, again, you want to watch out for any protruding edges. Make sure they're protected. Again, each one individually wrapped. Now that's nice and snug, that can go right on top. Again, as you're working, you might feel like you're a little worried about 2 things next to each other. So, as you go, like I said, occasionally put a piece of paper in between things. Then when you get to the top, if you still have some space left, you want to fill that with more non-breakable things such as Tupperware is a really good filler for the top. Or if you have some more lightweight pans like this, you can put that in there. You can put a little bit more of a buffer there. Make an even surface. Then those can go right on top. I have a few more things here. This, not very heavy. Not too worried about it getting broken. Wrap that up. Keep all the silverware in there. That can go right on top. Again, nothing's going to get broken. A few more things like this. Right in. They're not going to do any harm. Now I have just a little more space to fill. You don't want any empty spaces because that's just going to crush. So you want to fill that in. Sometimes it seems like overkill, but it's not. Now that the box is full and you have no empty space in it, it's ready to be taped up and labeled. You want to label the room that the box is going to on the top and the side with a circle around it. If it's going to the kitchen, put a K with a circle around it. Also, on the top of the box, you want to label what's inside it for your own good. That way, when you're unpacking, you know exactly what box a specific item that you're looking for is in. So anyway, I hope this helps make your move go smooth, and good luck and happy moving.